we have a separate time. We have a separate time for our children. We give the better education for our children. Better education also, better wives also. That in a joint family, that we said that daily clashes go on in the family. This affect our children also. That this affect a great in our children. So they are getting more disturbed in their studies. They don't study at all. So in that situation, nuclear family is much better. If I talk about the second advantage, as I said that they support joint family support us. Yes, joint family of course support us. As I said that in the nuclear family, they are also support us. That wife supports their husband, and of course parents supports father, mother supports their children. That's the reason that the joint nuclear family is also very good, and they are far better than that of the joint family. That's I conclude. Therefore, nuclear family is much better than that of the joint family.
Okay, after hearing everyone's point, I got to know privacy is important in the nuclear family, and that's are good. But after reading the joint family have lot of benefits like strength, unity, and when you come to home and you enjoy, and the time when you are got emergency, then you got support easily. So that's a big point for that. So we are taking the joint family are lots of favor and good compared to nuclear family.
Please try to understand that nuclear family is better than joint family, because in the nuclear family there is a freedom to go anywhere, and we can take permission with our parents easily without any interruption. But in joint family there is our aunts and uncles, they interrupt in where are you going, and so much interruptions, and it is difficult to convince all of them. Then
Sorry to interrupt you, but I want to interrupt you. Like if you are talking about privacy, we suppose you are living with your parents, your father and mother going for job. You are living alone. You have lots of privacy. One day you have lots of privacy. You will live alone all the day. But after some days you will get irritated, like nobody here to love me. My parents are not here. In that situation you will get love from your uncle, aunties, like their children. You can play, you can talk with them. So what will you do with your privacy when you are alone?
But we have our grandparents. They are always free. My grandparents.
You are living in nuclear family. There is no grandparents.
I think one of the main reason is that the early marriage. In the joint family, everyone said that she is a girl. She has to do marriage early. So
right now, same situation happening with me.
Yeah.
My uncle was telling that you should marry your daughter and me, but my father doesn't want that I will marry right now.
Or in a nuclear family, we are living independent. Our parents want to be us independent.
That's a different point of. But we are feel separately and enjoying and completely comfort with your uncle. You easily converse and communicate, get the suggestion how to talk to others and how to live. They really
But
good
most of
support.
the time they don't understand, or our grandparents don't understand that you should marry early. Without some not in a my case, but some girls get married before they completed their higher education.
But this topic not comes from the joint nuclear family.
Of course it comes from
Because if you are living in nuclear family, if you are
the advantages and disadvantages of the nuclear or the joint family.
Try to listen
This
me.
is the disadvantage of a joint family.
Try to listen me. If you are living in nuclear family and your uncle can call your father, if they are living on other side, they can call you and they can told you the girl is growing up, now you should marry her. Then It is not depend on you are living in nuclear family, then it will come.
Nuclear family, and your parents said that we are living in a separate family, and we know that our child.
It is showing aggression, like your parents does not want to listen their brother. So
Okay,
it will make
if you are-
conflict also if they are living other side.
In the teenager age, everyone say me, I earn money. They are certain say me don't marry, but I don't marry. I know it.
Okay, it's not necessary that your aunt or uncle only can convince your father. If you are good at communication skill and conversing, you can too convince your parents and follow your decision according to you.
But elders, sometimes elders doesn't want to get advice from the youngers.
Okay, it's not necessary that in a nuclear family only you and your parents are living. It's not necessary that your grandparents will not be there. They will be there.
I tell you the biggest disadvantages of nuclear family. When you are doing a job and your child was in your house, who will feed them?
I think that time
And your mother was also not well.
Right, their grandparents.
Grandmother also not doing well.
They can keep any maid.
Maid not treat like a mother.
Not like it.
That time
So
you.
what you saying that their aunt and uncles treat
Yeah,
them
like a mother. They treat like a mother.
It's
They
not
know what the
necessary.
mother
What
is.
happens at all.
nowadays this doesn't happen.
What happens?
But when they are to their children, they jointly their brothers-in-law to their parents.
Okay, the father's brother can take care of our children, but the sister-in-laws will never take care like a mother.
It depends on their values.
Yeah,
If she comes from good values, if she comes from with good values,
Yeah.
comes from good families background, like she already lives in joint family, then she will understand the value of the joint family. And she will treat like that.
I strongly agree with you, sir, but exceptions are still there.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
Situation according and family's nature and behavior according and manage also time.
Yeah, please go on.
All nuclear families are living in joint family.
Yes, all nuclear families came from joint family. All right. Therefore,
And therefore, I suggest you can join us.
Come back in joint family.
Okay, if they were living in a joint family, why they got separated then?
Can you one question, one answer? In village areas, joint family happy or more happy in compared to live in cities area nuclear family.
The situations in cities and the urban villages are totally different. The people there are not engaged in any activities like in the urban area.
Yeah, but in cities area, everyone is busy. No have time. No, everyone has under pressure. But in village area, no need to worry. They enjoy after sleep.
okay, after having a lot of debates and discussion, let's come to the conclusion. I would like to give a chance to the person who is in the favor of nuclear family, and I would like to give the chance who are in the favor of joint family. So, who would like to conclude from this side? Who would like to conclude from this side? Anybody? Yeah, Arpit, you conclude
Yeah, I want to conclude.
within 30 seconds.
Yeah. After giving a lot of benefits in joint family, in compared to nuclear family, we favor everyone come in joint family, and like that, if anyone doesn't like and disturb you, they do that like that in favor, so they come to impress you, so they become to favor and much better. So please come in.
Who wants to conclude from this side?
Okay, if you are telling that the people living in a joint family, if your parents are busy, your uncle and aunt can help you, can support you. But if you are living in a nuclear family, your uncle and aunt can still support you.
Ruchi, let's conclude, please.
Sir,
At last.
at last I want to say that there are many advantages of joint family though, but still I will support nuclear family because
People will become independent.
And the happiness, not necessarily the happiness we will get in joint family. We can get the happiness still in a nuclear family, living in a nuclear family.
ओके गाइस, सो वी रियली हैड अ ग्रेट डिस्कशन. तो आज इसके डिस्कशन को यहीं पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. लेट्स मीट टुमारो. टिल देन आई वुड से कीप लाफिंग, कीप स्माइलिंग एंड कीप कमिंग टू द बाय बाय.